Good day everyone, I am Kian Francis Enojo and I will report the Unit 1 Lesson 5 which is the basic anatomical terminology. So what is anatomical terminology? A list of terms that concern with the anatomy of the human body. It gathers the terms that pertain to the anatomical regions and specific structures, planes, directions, and body movements. So in other terms, anatomical terminology is a form of scientific terminology used by anatomists, zoologists, and health professionals such as doctors. Anatomical terminology uses many unique terms, suffixes, and prefixes deriving from ancient Greek and Latin. So that's it. Next, we will proceed to the orientation, the most basic anatomy concept, and equally the most important. All structures and the relationships between them are reference to the standard anatomical position. So in this orientation, the person is considered to be standing upright, with the arms hanging by the side, palms facing forward, and thumbs pointing away from the body. The feet are slightly parallel and the toes oriented to the front. Next, we have the anatomical position. So in this position, body is erect, feet together, palms face forward, and the thumbs point away from the body. So like this picture. Next, we have the directional terms. So directional terms describe the positions of structures relative to other structures or locations in the body. So the first we have superior or cranial, means the part is above another or closer to head. So this is the picture. Next, we have the inferior or caudal, means the part is below another or towards the feet. So below. Next, we have anterior or ventral, toward or at the front of the body or in front of. Next, we have posterior or dorsal, toward or at the back of the body or behind. So this is the picture. Next, we have medial, relates to the imaginary midline dividing the body into equal right and left halves, or on the inner side of. So this is the picture. Next, we have lateral, away from the midline of the body on the outer side of. This, away from the body. Then a medial is inner. Next, we have proximal, closer to the origin of the body part or the point of attachment of a limb to the body trunk. So this. Next, we have distal, farther from the origin of the body part or the point of attachment of a limb to the body trunk. Next, we have superficial, means situated near the surface, toward or at the body surface. This. Next, we have deep, is used to describe parts that are more internal, away from the body surface, or more internal, again, like this. Next, the importance of anatomical terms. So without anatomical terminology, it is not possible to discuss or accurately record the abnormal functions of the joints, the actions of the muscles, The changes in the position of the organs or the exact location of edema or tumors. The ability to correctly interpret a clinical observation is, therefore, the goal of the understanding of anatomical terminology and solid concepts.